Hi everybody, and welcome back to the MatheMagician.uk. We're going to carry on with our series on multiplication, and this lesson is about Napier's Bones. Napier's Bones is also called the Lattice Method, Chinese Method, and there are other names for it as well. Let's go to the classroom and have a look. Right, so Napier's Bones is over 300 years old and was invented by John Napier. What I'm interested in is whether this method works for you. If it doesn't, move on, try another method. If it does, keep on practicing until you get it right every time. So how does this work? Well, we have to count how many numbers, how many digits are in each number. So how many digits are in this number? Well, there are 2 and 7. How many digits are in this one? 1 and 8, that's 2 digits. So what this shows us is we have to draw a 2 by 2 grid. Like that. And then if I do the neater version, then each element, each square in this grid, we have to cut in half into triangles. Make sure you go from corner to corner. And then you write the question around the outside. So we've got all these triangles now. Now how do we fill it in? Well, it's easy. We look above and we look to the right, to the question. 7 times 1 is 7. We can't just write 7 down. We've got to have a 2-digit answer, one for each triangle. So we have to write O7. Be careful that your O doesn't look like a 6 when you're doing it quickly. Then next thing we have to do is a 2 times the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 7 times 8 is 56. 2 times 8 is 16. So we've now filled in the grid. Next stage is to identify our diagonals, and we have to add our diagonals up. So the first diagonal at the bottom is a 6. The next diagonal has got a 7, a 5 and a 6 in it. What do they add up to? Well, they add up to 18. So we put our 8 down and we carry the 1. The next one is a 0, a 2, a 1 and a 1. They add up to 4. And the last diagonal is just a 0. This is 0 is at the front of our number. It doesn't affect the size of our number. It's non-significant, so we don't need it. So what's our answer? Well, 27 times 18 is 486. Okay, what do you think of that? It's reasonably easy, just a bit complicated drawing the grid. Let's have a go at another one. It's a little bit different. It's got 4 digits and 3 digits. So what's our grid going to look like? Well, it's going to look like 4 wide and 3 tall. Doesn't have to be neat. It doesn't have to be 4 wide, 3 tall. It can be 4 tall and 3 wide. As long as we put our numbers in the right place. Oh, that's not a very good grid, but I'll get my neat one up. There we go. We cut them into triangles. And then we do 5 times 5, which is 25. 4 times 5, which is 20. 3 times 5, which is 15. 2 times 5, which is 10, being careful to not make it look like a 6. 5 times 1 is 5. And we keep on filling the grid till it's fully done. Okay, we identify our diagonals like this, and then we add them up. This diagonal adds up to 0. This one is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 down, carry 1. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 again. 3 down, carry 1. This one is 2, add nothing, add 3 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5 down, carry 1, and we fill in the rest of them to look like that. So we have 1, 2, 0, 5, 3, 3, 0. 1, 2, 0, 5, 3, 3, 0, which is 1,205,330. Okay, I hope that made some sense. So that's lattice method. We've done the traditional method. We've done the grid method. We've done some stuff with manipulatives. Next, I'm going to do some more unusual methods, things that you may not have seen before, like the Japanese method and the crisscross method. So make sure you come back and look for those methods as well. Go through all of them, choose a method for you, and practice, practice, practice. That's all I can say. The addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are the 4 most important things you'll need in life, and it's going to be very difficult to do some of the more difficult topics unless you're really confident with these. Okay, come back again, like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think of the videos in the comments, and if I need to update them, I will do. Take care, come back again soon.